Actually, it is good. Why is chili? No, it's drama.
Don't drama.
ትንሽ ያወዘጋግባል ማለት ነው። ወደኔ ገብቶ you get happy now? I said take one bite take ሳኒጳል ጋይስ እንግዲህ ምን መሰላችሁ ከስራ መልስ ማለት ነው ምሳ ያዘጋጁ ነበርና ጀለሶች ከዛ እስካሁን አልደረሰም። እኔ ደግሞ ራበኝ ገብቷችኋል። ከዛ ምን እየሰሩ እንደሆነ ምናምን ቼክ ላደርጋቸው ወደ ኪችን እነሆ ገባው። ስገባ ዋው አንተ you are making this.
You are not allowed to come inside, bro.
Why?
Please go outside.
Wow.
No food vlogger.
I'm a food vlogger. So wow.
This is called lassi.
What is lassi?
Lebanon.
Lebanon with what?
Sugar.
With sugar and with what? I drink
Yogurt.
with milk.
Yogurt, sugar.
Milk, yogurt, sugar.
No milk, only yogurt and sugar.
There,
ice.
all the thing you mention is supposed to be to drink alone. Yogurt is alone, milk
If
alone.
you want to drink, don't speak too much.
Why you mix?
You don't drink.
No, I drink, but
Why are you criticizing it?
but you don't have to mix, nah, bro. Let me drive to the left, to the right, to the right. Bismillah.
Let me drive left to right. Bismillah.
Actually, it is good. It is good.
That's why
No.
everyone says
Thank
don't
you.
judge a book by its cover.
By its cover.
Yeah.
Wow, this guy is too much educated, huh? Look at this guy. Now, what is the difference between this bread and this bread?
That was brown bread, white bread.
White bread and the brown bread.
Yeah.
No black
Brown
bread?
black.
What about
Brown
black bread? No black bread?
No, you say we chocolate each. This also chocolate, you know.
This one is also chocolatey. This one is brownie. You guys are brown.
No.
So what is this?
Aloo.
Aloo with aloo masala with what? Can I try? Thank you.
Yeah.
If you say no.
I know you.
Okay. Bismillah. Oh. Why is chili?
You don't want to eat nothing, no problem.
Why no? Why chili?
Actually, in everything.
Chili? No, it's drama.
Don't drama.
I'm making drama.
You also a drama, man.
It's not about me being drama. Just the thing is.
बस से पहले खा लिए
እንዴት እየሰሩ ነው? እዚህ ጋር መጥበሻ አለ። ዘይት ጠብ ያደርጉበትና ዳቦውን ላይ ያደርጉታል። እዛ ጋር ድንች ምናምን ቀቅለዋል። መሳላ ምናምን ብለዋል። ድንች መሳላ ምናምን። እዚህ ጋር ተበብቱ ጸጉር አለ። እሺ ይሄው ይሄ ነው። ይሄን ይመስላል እንግዲህ ሳንዱሹ ተዘጋጅቷል። እንግዲህ እስቲ we should make this one 1800 degree, you know
Yeah.
like this, yeah. ጨርሰዋል ማለት ነው። አሁን ኦሬዲ ሁሉም ነገር ሬዲ ነው። እዚህ ጋር የመጨረሻዋን እየደፈጠጣት ነው። ደፍጥጦ ዘይቱን አስመጥጦ እንዲያስመስሏታል። እንግዲህ አንተ መጥበሻው በጣም ጥቁር ነው። እዛ እዚህ ጋር ምን አለን? ኤቭሪቲንግ እዚህ ጋር አለ ማለት ነው። አባቴ ጠራርግ ና አምጣው ጠራርግ ብሮ this why you waste this?
Who is going to waste?
You are
Who
not
is going to waste?
You
Why are you criticizing?
not criticizing. Don't shout chop right chop kar idara
Don't waste this also.
no you put there idara what we have? Oh, yogurt. We put yogurt here. It's not. Oh, it's chutney. Chutney or chutney?
Not chutney.
Chutney.
Yeah.
Okay, chutney. It's okay. Chutney. Whatever, it is okay. Guys, you should look chutney. Where is it chutney? Yeah. Oh. So we eat this sandwich with chutney.
Chutney and
Oh,
ketchup.
also ketchup.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Yeah. Oh, burtuf. Burtuf ይልበታል አሁን ዝም
तो खोल लो उस्ताद जी
bro.
खोलने नहीं यूज नहीं
बाहर निकल रही थी तो मैं उसको
የተዘጋውን እኮ ነው ይጨምቋል ይጨምቋል Yeah, you already told him but he didn't understand. የተዘጋውን እኮ ይጨምቋል አልቻለም። Yes sir. You did it. ደርሷል ማለት ነው ጋይስ። ኦልሬዲ አቀራርበዋል። ሁለተኛ ቲም ደግሞ አለ። እኛ ቲም ሳንዱች ነው የሚበላው። ከዚህ በፊት የነበረው ቲም ደግሞ ሩዝ ነበረ ሲበላ የነበረው። አይ ዶንት ኖ ሜቢ ሂ ጎ ዋሽሩም ሶ ዘይ ኢት ሩዝ ነው የበሉት እነሱ ሩዝ በዚህ በእርጎ ቸትኒ ቀላቅለው ምናምን። እኛ ግን የምንበላው ሳንዱቹን በቸትኒ ነው የምንበላው ማለት ነው። ካቻፕ አለ ማለት ነው። ያበረ ነው እና የዛሬ ምሳችን ይህን ይመስላል ማለት ነው ጋይስ። ይህንን ነው የምንበለው። ያው ያቃጥላል ምናምን ነገር መሳላቸው ቅመማቸው ማለት ነው። የእነሱ ቅመም ከኛ የተለየ ነው። ሶ ትንሽ ያወዘጋግባል ማለት ነው። ወደህን ገብቶ ማለት ነው እስክትለምዱት ድረስ ነው። አንዴ ከለመዳችሁት ግን you get addicted to their food። አልገባችሁም? I'm telling them that if you try one time their food you will be addicted.
Yes.
You get happy now? I said
They will buy from us.
no, they don't buy, but
Why we have?
when I tell about you good thing, you will be happy.
You knock your brother now.
Who's that? After now. አሁን የፈጠነ ይበላለት ማለት ነው። አይሻልም?
Come now.
Okay, let's try. Who makes this? Paji make, right?
Everybody make now.
No,
Why
no,
Baji
no.
only
Oh,
make?
no.
You seeing in kitchen?
The one who make the mixture, is the person who make.
You are only eating.
It's
Tell them.
now it is not about
Tell
me.
them. Tell
It's
them.
about this food.
Tell them.
It's about this.
Tell them
Yeah.
about you are.
Huza ziga le brother. Huza is a famous guy, so I want to be famous through him, you know. Yeah. It is what it is.
रात पहुंच जाना बहुत लंबा रात
So እሺ አንስተናል አንድ እስቲ ቢስሚላ መጀመሪያ በባዶ ይሞከራል ማለት ነው። ከዛ ካቻፕም ቸትኒም እንጨምርበታለን ማለት ነው። ኦኬ ሌትስ ማግሮሳይዜሽን ያስኬዳ በጣም ጸዴ ነው በጣም አሪፍ ነው። እስቲ ቸትኒ ደግሞ ጨምረንበት ያበዛውበት መሰለኝ ያቃጥላል መሰለኝ አላቅም። ያቃጥላል ቸትኒ ያለው አሁን ደግሞ እስቲ በጣም ጸዴ። እስቲ ደግሞ በካቻፕ ደግሞ ይሞከርለት። ካቻፕ እዚህ ጋር ነው ያለው።
इलाके में ज्यादातर मोटे बंदे बहुत काट होंगे
ካቻፕ ደግሞ ይኸውና፣ በካቻፕ ደግሞ ምን ይመስላል?
We wait for this 2 days. This.
Who make us wait?
Baji. Making drama. Making drama.
It's amazing. Paji means this guy. He makes this amazing and delicious sandwich with potato, with ketchup, with chutney, with the bread. Oh my god. Yeah. Oh, so tasty. Tasty soya.
If you need one time try.
You have to try this. I'm going to tell you the recipe. Paji, tell us the recipe. What is the secret to be this sweet and yummy?
Baji secret in
Secret, yeah.
Secret are too much tasty things.
only potato and masala
Only potato and masala. That's it. And you can eat this amazing sandwich, right? Sandwich. No sandwich. Sandwich. I'm Ethiopian, bro. I say sandwich. No, sandwich no. Yeah. Okay, I'm going to feed them. Take one bite. Take one bite. Take. በጣም ጸዲ አክቹአሊ ሩዝም አለ ይሄን ሩዝ አለ አንድ ንጉረት ሩዙን እስቲ
भाई बच्ची है शायद खा लूं जाना
भाई मेरे तीन
कोई तीन
እስቲ አትሊስት ሩዝ ትጎርዛላችሁ ይቅርባችሁ እኔ ንጉረስላችሁ
कितने छोड़ा
አይሻልም
you
እሺ
are here from 1 week
पहले दो छोड़
You lying?
ጸዴ ነው ማን ጋይስ በጣም ያበደ ነው የዛሬው ምሳችን ይሄን ይመስል ነበረ
खत्म हो
this
गई
is very delicious
too much good
very delicious
yeah approve this one is 9 out of 10 okay there is no perfect thing no yeah we cannot say 10 out of 10 just we just say 9 out of 10 9 is best
हीरो ना नाम
yeah
देख के तेरा
so ይሄን ይመስል ነበረ ሰኒጳል